Welcome back to our channel and Kindle Kids Learning. Today we are going to study about the phonic sounds of all the alphabets A to Z. So, shall we begin? A sounds A, apple. B sounds B, ball. C sounds K, cat. D sounds D, dog. E sounds egg. F sounds fish. G sounds gun. H sounds happy. I sounds igloo. J sounds jug. K sounds kite. L sounds lion. M sounds monkey. N sounds nail. O sounds ox. P sounds peacock. Q sounds queen. R sounds rabbit. S sounds sun. T sounds toy. U sounds umbrella. V sounds van. W sounds watch. X sounds Xmas tree. Y sounds yak. Z sounds zebra. I hope you like this video. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and Kindle Kids Learning. Press the bell icon and we will see you in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.